So Ivana, how do you feel seeing your new hair for the first time?
It feels amazing. I feel like a brand new person. It's life-changing.
Yes.
I've never had extensions, so this is definitely gonna be a fun experience. I love the length of it. I personally never had my hair this long, so this is something new and I'm loving it. They feel so real, like I don't even feel their extensions, and they're very light on my hair.
Oh,
And
really? I have
especially just because it is human hair. Yeah, I love it. And the color match is perfect. I'm definitely gonna try every style.
Oh.
Hair updos, downdos, everything, literally. Straight, curly, you name it. And then definitely hop in the beach. I wanna see how it feels. Absolutely, yeah. 100 for sure. There's not even a 10 on the scale. It is very cute and it feels like honestly real. Absolutely. It's definitely a game changer.
Okay.
Do it. Just do it because you will never regret it. Trust me.